Tito, and look at all my trucks.
Wow.
Hey!
What's your name?
Hey!
Your name is me?
Yeah.
Hey, little man, what's your name?
Tito.
And what you got over here?
Lots of trucks.
Which ones you got over here?
All of them.
Yeah, let me see a couple of them. Which one you got there? Which is your favorite one?
Grave digger.
Which is Grave Digger? Show me.
These are two grave digger.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Which is this guy? Who's this?
The rock.
This is the Rock, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. And what about this guy? Who's
I
this?
don't know. I don't know his name.
You don't know his name? Alright, so this guy is over here. Let me see a couple of the guys you know. Which one?
Superman.
Okay, what y'all?
El Toro Loco. Baltimore. El Toro goes right there. And the other one I have right there. And that's my picture. Scared Bandit. And the Black Toy. And Daddy.
Who's this right here?
Huh?
Who's this guy right here?
I don't know. I don't know his name.
Yeah.
I don't know his name.
Well, you got a lot of trucks, Tito.
Yeah, you know.
Wow, you know all their names?
Yeah. Right. I don't know his either. Avenger. Daddy.
Uh-huh.
What is his name?
Who?
His name.
Buzz Leak.
Yeah, Ugly. What is his name?
Where?
Right here.
Can't see, you gotta show me.
Right here.
His name is Eradicator.
Eradicator.
Eradicator, yep.
What is his name?
His name is Southern Impact.
Yes, 7 Impact.
You got a lot of monster trucks.
King Collins. 7 Impact looks like King Collins.
Yeah, where's King Conchak? Where's King Conchak?
Oh, he's in Grandma's house.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
He's in Grandma's house?
Yeah.
All
We
right.
have a bunch of monster trucks.
That's right. All right, Tito. Say bye to the people.
Bye.
Say see y'all later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.